Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Aqara Hub with HomeKit for smart sensors, full guide step by step clearly. To set up the Aqara Hub with HomeKit for your smart sensors, begin by unboxing the Aqara Hub. Locate the power adapter and the USB cable provided in the package. Plug the USB cable into the Aqara Hub and then connect the other end to the power outlet. Wait for the hub to power on, you should see a blinking green light. Next, download the Aqara Home app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and create an account if you haven't done so already. Log into your account to access the app's main interface. Tap on the plus icon to add a new device. Select Aqara Hub from the list of compatible devices. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the hub into pairing mode. Once the hub is in pairing mode, it will show up in the app. Tap on your hub to connect it to the app. You will need to connect the hub to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi credentials when prompted. Once the hub connects to Wi-Fi, the app will prompt you to set up HomeKit integration. Follow the provided instructions to add the hub to your HomeKit. You may need to scan the HomeKit code found on the hub or in the app. After scanning, your Aqara Hub will be linked with HomeKit. Now, it's time to add smart sensors to the hub. Go to the main interface of the Aqara Home app. Tap on the plus icon again to add a new device. Select the type of smart sensor you wish to add, such as door/window sensors or temperature sensors. Follow the on-screen instructions to put the sensor into pairing mode. Once in pairing mode, the sensor should automatically show up in the app. Tap on the sensor to confirm the connection. Repeat these steps for any additional sensors you wish to add. After adding all your sensors, you can organize them within the app. Explore the settings to customize notifications and automation features. Once set up, launch the Apple Home app on your iPhone or iPad. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.